In a lively school classroom, Thursday sits anxiously at her desk with Simba peeking from behind, both dreading the flea check announced by the cheerful gym teacher. The principal, disguised in a robe as a nurse, enters to a mixed reaction. Benchik, suspicious, unmasks the principal, leading to a humorous reveal. The principal, now in a suit, jovially insists on checking Benchik first for fleas, sparking playful banter among the students, with Bully teasing Benchik about being flea-ridden. As the principal checks each student, the tension turns to comedy with Thursday retreating under a desk from the overzealous principal, and Simba and Bully both cleared of fleas amidst cheers. However, when Bully is found to have a suspicious black ball in his fur, the principal, in a dramatic twist, throws him out the window, declaring him homeschooled. Outside, the dynamics shift as Bully, now back with the group and sporting a stylish flea collar provided by Tigra, is initially shunned, but then defended by Tigra, who empathizes with his plight and decides to stand by him, changing the group's perception.